comprehensive 24-inch monitors comparison. The 24-inch monitor category is one of the most versatile and sought-after segments in the display market. These monitors offer an ideal balance between screen real estate, affordability, and compatibility, making them perfect for a wide range of users, from casual gamers to office professionals. For this comparison, we evaluated 5 top-rated models within the $89.99 to $129.67 price range. Focusing on display quality. List number. The Korei 24-inch monitor is a budget-friendly display that doesn't skimp on essential features. It boasts a VA panel with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, a 100 Hz refresh rate, and a 3000:1 contrast ratio, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. The 3-sided slim bezel design enhances its aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for multi-monitor setups. With support for FreeSync and VESA mounting, it's a versatile option for casual gamers and office users alike. During testing, the Korei impressed with its deep blacks and vivid colors, thanks to its high contrast ratio and 99% sRGB coverage. However, the VA panel exhibited minor color shifting at extreme angles, which may not suit creative professionals requiring absolute color accuracy. The 100 Hz refresh rate provided smooth visuals for light gaming, though competitive gamers might miss the responsiveness of higher-end models. The ergonomic tilt adjustment and eye care features, such as the blue light filter, ensured comfortable long-term usage. List 2. The Philips 241V8LB is a premium option in this lineup, featuring a frameless design and a VA panel with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. Its 100 Hz refresh rate and 16.7 million colors ensure smooth and vibrant visuals, while the Easy Read mode enhances readability for long work sessions. This monitor stands out with its 4-year advanced replacement warranty, which provides peace of mind for buyers. In our tests, the Philips monitor delivered excellent image quality with deep blacks and bright whites, making it ideal for multimedia consumption. The wide 178-degree viewing angle ensured consistent visuals from different positions, although the glossy screen surface occasionally reflected ambient light. The lack of advanced gaming features like FreeSync may deter gamers, but its sleek design and reliability make it a strong contender for office use. List number. The Dell S2425HS offers a well-rounded package for professionals and casual users. Its IPS panel ensures vibrant and accurate colors with 99% sRGB coverage, while the TÜV Rheinland Eye Comfort certification minimizes eye strain. The integrated 2x5-watt speakers and multiple ergonomic adjustments, including height, tilt, swivel, and pivot, make it a highly versatile monitor. Performance-wise, the Dell S2425HS excelled in color reproduction and viewing angles, making it ideal for tasks like photo editing and content creation. The 100 Hz refresh rate and dual HDMI ports allowed smooth transitions between work and casual gaming. However, the integrated speakers, while convenient, lacked the bass depth needed for immersive audio experiences. Overall, this monitor is a strong choice for productivity-focused users. List number. The Samsung Odyssey G3 is a gaming-focused monitor with a stunning 180 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, ensuring ultra-smooth and responsive gameplay. Its AMD FreeSync support and black equalizer technology further enhance the gaming experience by reducing screen tearing and improving visibility in dark scenes. The adjustable stand and 3-sided borderless design add to its appeal. In real-world use, the Odyssey G3 excelled in fast-paced gaming scenarios, delivering crisp visuals and minimal motion blur. The virtual aim point feature provided an edge in FPS games, while the Eye Saver mode reduced fatigue during long sessions. However, the higher refresh rate comes at the cost of slightly reduced color accuracy compared to IPS panels. This monitor is best suited for competitive gamers seeking performance over color fidelity. List 5. The Samsung S30GD offers a solid entry-level option with an IPS panel for vibrant colors and a 100 Hz refresh rate for smooth motion.
Its ultra-thin bezels and modern design make it a stylish addition to any workspace. The monitor includes advanced eye care features like a blue light filter and flicker-free technology for comfortable extended use. During testing, the Samsung S30GD demonstrated consistent color reproduction and excellent viewing angles, making it suitable for general productivity and casual gaming. However, the lack of ergonomic adjustments and limited gaming features like FreeSync may deter some users. At its price point, it's an attractive choice for those prioritizing aesthetics and basic functionality.